Hello everyone, 你好，大家好。Welcome back to Chinese classroom. I am 王老师。Today we are going to learn how to say and ask last name in Chinese. In this video, you will learn how to say your last name. You will learn how to ask people's last name. You will learn how to introduce yourself to people with last name and full name. Let's get started. Let's start with the dialogue. 你姓什么？你姓什么？ What is your last name? 我姓王。你呢？我姓王。你呢？ My last name is Wang. How about you? 我姓Davis. 我姓 Davis. My last name is Davis. Let's learn more about this dialogue. 姓 last name, family name. 姓你姓什么？你姓什么？你 you 姓 last name 什么 what you last name what What is your last name? 你姓什么 In Chinese culture, it is more polite that you ask people's last name first. 你姓什么？我姓 My last name is 我姓 My last name is Wang 我姓王 If your last name is Davis, you will say 我姓 Davis 我姓 My last name is Let's review the dialogue. 你姓什么？你姓什么？你 you 姓 last name 什么 what you last name what What is your last name? 你姓什么？我姓王。我姓王。我 I 姓 last name 王。My last name is 王。你呢？你呢？你 you 呢 How about you? 你呢？我姓 Davis 我姓 Davis 我 I 姓 last name Davis My last name is Davis After you learn each other's last name, you are going to ask, what is your name? Remember how to ask people's name? 你叫什么名字 There's a video for you to learn how to say your name and ask, what is your name in Chinese? Make sure you check it out. 你叫什么名字你 you 叫 call 什么 what 名字 name you call what name What is your name? 你叫什么名字？我叫 Emily。我叫 Emily。我 I 叫 call Emily。我叫 Emily。My name is Emily。你呢？你呢？你 you 呢 How about you? 你呢？我叫 Tom。我叫 Tom。我 I 叫 call Tom。My name is Tom. I am Tom. Let's practice dialogues with my little friends. They are my little friends. 你好，你好。你 姓什么？我姓王，你呢？我姓 Davis。你叫什么名字？我叫 Emily。你呢？我叫 Tom。Do you understand your dialogue? 再见。Can you introduce him to me about his last name and his name? 他姓什么？他叫什么名字？ What is his last name? What is his name? 他姓 Cruz。他姓 Cruz。His last name is Cruz。他叫 Tom Cruise。他叫 Tom Cruise。His name is Tom Cruise。他呢？ How about him? Can you introduce him to me? His last name and his name. 他姓 Chen。他姓 Chen。His last name is Chen。他叫 Jackie Chen。他叫 Jackie Chen。His name is Jackie Chen。你呢？ How about you? 你呢？ How about you? Will you let me know your last name and your name? 我姓 your last name. 我叫 your name. 我姓我叫 Did you say that? 很好，很好。Good job. Wow, you did it. That is all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. 再见。